Hi guys, welcome to another painting video. Well, this time we're going to try something that I saw often on YouTube, but it's not used that often in painting. We're going to use a bubble wrap. We're going to put some acrylic on our canvas, then we're going to put the bubble wrap over it, then we're going to get it out. So it's going to form some cells and I don't know what, so the only way to find out, like always, is to go at it. So let's go and try it. So guys, that's one way to do it. I'm not sure if I was expecting that that way, but it's kind of nice. The only thing I don't understand myself is why did I put some silicone in it. As you saw, I did put liquid silicone in my acrylic. Then, before I did my dirty pouring, I put in the cup, I did put some silicone in hairspray, in spray, silicone spray. Well, I'm gonna have it soon. So anyway, guys, I don't know why I did that, because I think that if I didn't put any silicone, it would have done some cells either way. But now, well, of course, it's working a little bit more. It's got a tendency to make more cells, but it doesn't go or respect the cell that would have made just using the paper wrap, the bubble wrap, should I say. But anyway, I think it's nice. I think you're gonna see the difference once it's dry, because like always I see it just done, so it's not dry yet, and it does a lot of work, since I did put quite a lot of silicone in it. So I don't use silicone often, but like I said, I don't know why I did it. But anyway, I think it's gonna look great. It was hard for me though, because I don't know if you saw, when I did the flip cup just afterward, I could have left it alone just like it was, so since it was really great looking, but I had to try it with the damn bubble wrap. So I hope, guys, you like it. I hope you're gonna try it, because there's a lot of way to go about it. I think the next time I would use a lot less acrylic, so we would see more the work that the bubble wrap would do. So there's a lot of experience to do with that technique. So guys, like always, please, I hope you're gonna come back, subscribe, leave a comment and share. It's always appreciated. See you on the next video. Take care, guys.